Welcome back to the Orange Wires Garage YouTube channel. In the last episode, you saw us get that 2012 Toyota Tacoma all fixed up, shined up, and cleaned up, and ready to hit the lot for sale. And hopefully today we're going to be able to buy something else. There's a couple of things playing today that I want to have a look at. And the first one is about to play now. It's a 2019 Ram 1500 Classic. It's a quad cab 4x4 with 68,000 miles, and I'm out of my element here, but the auction's about to start right now. And the high bid is $9,500 at South Carolina. I don't really know these Rams, but this one don't need that much. So now we just bid the high bid at $9,900. So I don't know how far I'm going to go. Somebody outbid me at $10,000 here. I don't know. I really don't know what it's worth, but watch one more time. You know, we just bid it again. Now it's 10-2. We do not have the high bid right now. Somebody else in Tennessee does. But what the heck, I just bid it at 10-3. So it's a really nice truck. It really doesn't look like it has a whole lot of damage, just a little bit of damage. So we just got outbid in bonus time at 10-4. So now I just bid it to 10-5. And this thing's on reserve, so see how it goes. Just got outbid at 10-6. I bid it again at 10-7. I'm getting a little bit out of my comfort zone here. I don't know if I'm going to bid it anymore. It's at 10-8 right now. I don't know. I mean, we kind of need something, but I just don't know. It's going to go for 10-8 to somebody else because I just don't really know about that thing right there. I don't really know these Ram trucks, but there's a side-by-side that's about to play in a little bit. We're going to try to get that. And I want to bid on it here. This is a 2020 Polaris Ranger. Right now, Pennsylvania had the high bid, and we just bid it up $3,350. They outbid us $3,400 in Alabama right now. Man, we really want to get this thing. I just bid it to 34. It immediately went to 35. Now I'm at 36.50. 37.50. Since we got the shop, I've been wanting to try to get this side by side or something like it. Now Kentucky's got the high bid at 3,900. Now Alabama at 39.50. Alabama again at 4,050. I mean, I'm bidding it. I'm bidding this thing to win it because I'm really wanting to get this. I don't even know if it runs. It don't have any keys. I've looked at it a couple of times. We just got the high bid at 4,200. Now we got the high bid at 4,300. Alabama outbid us at 43.50. I'm all in at 4,400. I'm in at 4,500. So I really want to get it. It's a Polaris Ranger 1000. We still got the high bid, 4,500 bonus time. So 4,500 bonus time, a 2020 Polaris Ranger 1000 with electric power steering. We just got the high bid. This thing is on reserve, so I don't know if they're going to take it or not. Hopefully they do. I really want one of these things. Well, let's just see what they say. Well, on that Polaris Ranger 1000, the reserve on that was $5,300. We were waiting on the seller to give us a counter offer. They finally did. They were still at $5,300. And I really wanted this thing. I've got a lot of maintenance to do around the shop, and that's what I need it for. So I just went ahead and spent the money at $5,300 for the side-by-side. The 2019 Ram, though, we didn't have the high bid anyway, but they put that thing for sale for buy it now, and I really think that it's going to be an easy fix. So, you know what? I just clicked the button at $12,000. So we're going to do a quick rebuild on the 2019 Ram 1500. And if you guys want to know about the side-by-side or any of the details on that, just leave us a comment down below and let me know, and I will definitely bring you up to speed on that thing. But let's go ahead and check this truck out and see what we bought. And I can't believe it either, guys. We bought something other than a Toyota Tacoma, and this truck right here is a 2019 Ram Classic 1500 four-door, four-wheel drive with a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. This sucker's raring to go. It only has 68,000 miles. Let me show you what's going on with this one. So the first things first, up front here, I don't know, it looks like they snatched on something on this bumper, so we'll probably replace the front bumper. And coming right down the passenger side, we got these shiny chrome wheels. The tires are almost brand new, and it is a 1500 Classic, 5.7 liter V8. And this, everything on the passenger side looks good, except for this door right here. And I might just test out my PDR skills on that. The bed all looks good. And then we come here to the second problem. The tailgate is no good, and the rear bumpers also got just a little bit of damage to it. But this is a sure enough 6-foot bed. It's already got a bed liner in it. The driver's side, bedside, it looks really good. The whole driver's side looks good. There's nothing going on with the driver's side. Well, this truck is a tradesman, so it don't have just a ton of options inside. It's got that little bitty, it's got a little bitty baby 5-inch screen, but that's okay. I mean, we got a built-in trailer brake controller. It's got a pretty good options package, and the seats are in really good shape. The truck overall is really clean inside. And looking at the back, they got the floor mats in here. At least they put them inside and didn't throw them back in the bed to get all ruined. So the floor mats are good. The back seats all look good. So all in all, this truck is really good. It's not a Toyota Tacoma, but hey, it's a Ram 1500 Classic. We're going to get it fixed and we're going to get it sold. So not a lot going on with it, but we got some parts ordered. So as soon as they come in, we'll get right to work. Got good news. Our new bumper came in today. We're going to slap that on real quick, and then the PDR guy's coming. He's going to work out the dents on that rear passenger door. We're going to get that all fixed up. Let's get to work. Going to move to the rear. We got a special surprise back there. We've got a little bit of frame damage, and I'll show it to you, but we're going to get that all fixed up too, as well as get the tailgate painted. So let's stop talking and let's get to work. Look at that. And it's bucked a little bit there. It's bucked a little bit there. It's bucked a little bit there. A good bit there, and maybe just a tad right there. So this whole frame section is going to have to swap. So it's just unfortunate that the frame got buckled up like that, but it happens oftentimes when you got these big hitches and then something gets hit in the rear end, especially if you got like a drop, then it's going to buckle the frame down a little bit. And it would be really easy to just bolt on a couple of bumpers and a tailgate on this truck.
but that's not the repair that this truck needs. It needs that frame sectioned out. We've already purchased that new frame section, but what we got to do now, we took the bumper off, we took the hitch off, and now we got to loosen up all the bed bolts on the bottom. And then we're going to use the lift to just lift the bed straight off the truck. And hopefully that'll give us access to everything that we need. I think it'll be a piece of cake, a walk in the park. So let's get this bed loose. Let's get it off the truck, get some of this work done. Just a little bit off camera, we've been working on this frame rail. We got the old one all cut off the truck and prepped everything and got it ready to go back in. And then we've got our brand new one here, all prepped and ready to go with some well-through primer. It's looking good, and we're gonna give it just a quick test fit here, just to kind of see how it goes back together. Then we'll get down the tram gauge and we'll measure everything and we'll make sure we're 100% before we start welding this sucker in. Feeling really good about this repair. We ground down the frame rail, we gave it a good test fit. We measured it about 25 times with the tram gauge, and then I tacked everything in and I put the bed back on just to make sure everything lined up. And man, when it did, I went crazy welding everything up. So I welded everything up 100% and then put some self-etching primer on, come back with some cavity wax inside all of those frame rails, and then I painted it. And we got the bed ready to go back on the truck. The tailgate's already painted, ready to go. We put the bed liner on the inside of the gate, got that ready to go, and it's almost ready. And we'll break down the price of what we got in it and how much the repair cost. And we're gonna put it up for sale because we've got the shop now and we need to get the bills paid. So let's get the bed put back on, get it cleaned up, then we'll get to that price breakdown.
We bid $12,000 by it now. Copart tacked on $1,088 in fees, $115 delivery, $400 for that frame section, $42 for paint, $80 for clear coat, $175 for PDR work, $500 for the front and rear bumpers, $300 for the tailgate, which made our grand total of $14,812 for this 2019 Ram 1500. So I think that 2019 Ram quad cab 4x4 turned out absolutely amazing. It was a quick little rebuild, not much damage at all. The frame was just a little bit of pleasant surprise. I mean, we should have known better, but it still has a clean title. It's a beautiful truck, inside and out. Have no earthly idea how that they sell, but I drove that truck around for 2 weeks while my Tundra, well, she needed some brakes and tires. I really liked that Ram truck, but we're gonna put it up for sale. Kelly Blue Book in the middle of the road for a clean title is around $22,200, $22,300, something like that. So we'll probably list it for sale somewhere in that range and kind of see how it falls, but we always want to know what you think. I I mean, if you know Rams and you know what they're worth, I mean, we're right around, you might as well say $15,000 in a 2019 Ram with 68,000 miles on it, almost brand new tires, a beautiful truck. But just let us know in the comments down below what you think, because I always enjoy reading that, getting a little feedback so we know, kind of where we're at with these things. And if you want to know about this side-by-side here, any of the details on that, definitely leave a comment below. But I think we ran out of time for this video, guys. But don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always post there before YouTube. And we'll catch you guys next time in the next episode. Can't wait to show you what we found. We're out.